What if you could fly on a seat like this and hang out at this bar on the plane for the price of an economy class ticket? And no, this is not a clickbait, because today I'm going to show you one of the best tricks in the award travel world for those that want to fly on Emirates' amazing business class. I'm specifically going to show you how you can book an economy class ticket on Emirates, which pretty much guarantees you a mileage upgrade availability to business class. And what's even better is you'll know exactly how many miles you're going to need to upgrade to business even before you book your economy class ticket. Flying on Emirates' amazing A380 business class is pretty much on every traveler's bucket list. But the cash prices for these tickets can be astronomical, and if you were to use your Skywards miles to book a one-way business class ticket between North America and Dubai, you're looking at paying at least 138,000 Skywards miles and over $800 in taxes and fees. But with the method I'm going to show you, you can fly on Emirates Business Class between North America and Dubai for just 120,000 Skywards miles and about $240 in taxes and fees. The best part about this is Emirates Skywards miles are pretty easy to earn in the US because you transfer over from all the major credit card companies directly to your Emirates loyalty account. So chances are you already have the Skywards miles required for this redemption lying around in your credit card account, and I'm going to show you how to use that to book Emirates Business Class. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Advait, and on this channel, I teach people how to travel for nearly free by maximizing their credit card points and airline miles. If that sounds like a jam, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future tips and tricks in the award travel world. Alright, let's get into it. The first and most important thing is that you can't just upgrade any economy class ticket to business. You have to book a specific type of economy class ticket for this trick to work. In this case, you must book an Economy Flex Plus ticket. Now, these tickets are more expensive than their Economy Saver level tickets, but the great part about Emirates is they allow you to upgrade mileage tickets to business class using miles as well. So you can book your Economy Flex Plus ticket using Skywards miles and then pay additional Skywards miles to upgrade from economy to business. So when you're clicking around on Emirates' website to select your economy class ticket, you need to make sure you're booking an Economy Flex Plus ticket using miles. For a flight from New York to Dubai, that Economy Flex Plus ticket will typically cost you 50,000 Emirates Skywards miles and about $202 in taxes and fees. Additionally, while booking this Flex Plus ticket, you want to also make sure that the aircraft type says Emirates A380, because that's the one that has the onboard bar as well as guaranteed direct aisle access for every seat in business class. And at least at the time of recording this video, in my opinion, you should try to avoid the Boeing 777s because Emirates is still in the process of upgrading their 777 business class. And at this time, most of their Boeing 777 business classes are the older layout, which feature a 232 seating in business class, which means not all seats have direct aisle access. Now, if you are looking at a 777, you can possibly look at the seat map by trying to make a dummy booking in business class and go all the way to the end when you have to select seats. If the layout is 232, it's their older business class, but if the layout is 121, you are then flying the new Boeing 777 retrofitted business class cabins. Okay, so now that you found an A380 Economy Flex Plus ticket, the crucial part is that confirming a business class upgrade is actually available before you go ahead and book that economy class ticket. Emirates makes this super easy to find out. Just look for the note that says miles upgrade available in your search results. And if you scroll down to the fare conditions, you can also see the number of miles that you're going to need to upgrade to business. So if you find this miles upgrade available note, you're in luck. But if you're unable to find this, then searching day by day can be pretty time consuming and honestly can take forever. So that's where this tool is going to come in to save the day, because you can find all the upgrade available dates within a matter of seconds. So this is Seats.Aero, and it's one of my favorite award flight search tools. I'll leave a link to this in the description. Under the tools section, they have a dedicated tool called Emirates Upgrade Finder. And what this does is basically lists out all the dates quickly where that miles upgrade available is available. So if you just go here and change your region from North America over to Asia, because assuming we want to fly from North America to Dubai, you'll quickly see a list of all dates and airports where the mileage upgrade availability exists to upgrade to business. So then when you're scrolling through this tool, if you find a date and airport combination that works out for you, all you have to do is click on this View on EK button. So in this example, I'm going to click on this flight from Orlando to Dubai on 2nd July, and I'm just going to click on this View on EK button. That just opens up Emirates' website and loads up the search results for that flight. So you can see here this flight from Orlando to Dubai is available, and if you put this drop down here, you can see that the Flex Plus ticket is available for 50,000 miles and $200, but it also says right here that the miles upgrade available exists, which means you can just book this Flex Plus ticket for 50,000 Skyward miles and immediately upgrade to business class for a price of 70,200 Skyward miles. This means your total price is 120,000 Skyward miles and just $202 in taxes and fees. All you have to do is transfer over miles to your Emirates account and complete this booking and enjoy your business class seat. And as I mentioned, Emirates miles are super easy to earn. So if you already have points lying around in Chase Ultimate Rewards, American Express membership points, Capital One, or Bilt Rewards, you already have Emirates Skyward miles. Now there's also one more tip that I'm going to share through which you can find out exactly how many miles you need to set up your upgrade without having to do this finding availability part. And that is using Emirates' miles calculator. I'll leave a link to this miles calculator in the description, but basically this is just a way to find out how many miles you're going to need for a particular upgrade or a award flight booking. So as an example, I'm going to select one way here and I'm going to show the exact example that we just saw, which is a flight from Orlando to Dubai. Make sure you select economy class as the cabin and select your appropriate Emirates Skyward tier and then just hit calculate. This will show you exactly how many miles you're going to earn. But we are looking to upgrade, so you're going to click on the upgrade tab right here, and then you can see that if you want to upgrade to business from economy saver, it's in fact going to cost you 133,000 Skyward miles, which is way more. But if you have an economy flex plus ticket like how we just saw, you're only going to need 70,200 miles to upgrade. Using this miles calculator, you can quickly understand how many miles you're going to need to upgrade. You don't have to go through the entire search every time. So it's a neat way to find out how many miles you need to have in your credit card account to be able to book Emirates' business class. And because you'll be booking an economy flex plus ticket, you can upgrade to miles immediately after booking that economy flex plus ticket. Because economy flex plus tickets can be upgraded to business class anytime, and you've also confirmed that there's miles upgrade available, so you should in theory be able to book this economy ticket, immediately go over to your manage booking and upgrade your ticket to business class for 70,200 miles between that route on Orlando to Dubai. So now to summarize what we just did, you were able to book an economy flex plus ticket for 50,000 Skyward miles and $202, and then upgrade that over to business class for 70,200 Skyward miles, which means your total out-of-pocket Skyward miles cost was 120,200 Skyward miles, and your total out-of-pocket cash cost was just $202.90. So now I want to hear from you. If you've ever flown on Emirates' A380 business class, comment below on what your experience was like. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to get more award travel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy travels.